Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change Lyca Mobile physical SIM to eSIM. Switching your Lyca Mobile from physical SIM to an eSIM is simple and convenient. First, log into your Lyca Mobile account on their official website. Once inside, head to the SIM Management tab, select SIM Swap. From there, choose the option to swap your physical SIM to an eSIM, then place an order. After your order is confirmed, you'll receive a QR code both on screen and via email. Use your phone's camera to scan this code and instantly install your eSIM. Next, enter the details of your current SIM, including your mobile number and ICC ID, and submit for validation. Once that's done, input your new eSIM details and confirm the swap. Your number, balance, and account details will automatically carry over to your new eSIM. And that's it. Your Lyca Mobile is now upgraded and ready to use with eSIM. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.